That's the Department of Justice. All right, Erek Barron. That's a phony bomb threat, 2011. That's a certificate of recognition, Champion of Justice, Vital Magazine. This is March 2011, Civil Division. I had a $54 million lawsuit against the state of Maryland, and y'all locked me up to keep me from filing that lawsuit. That's Judge Pearson. That's Judge Pearson. Clarence Mitchell Jr. celebrated. We talking about C4. We talking about Kiefer Mitchell. We talking about the Mitchell family and how they use their political powers to cover up the corruption, the haves versus the have-nots. Clarence Mitchell. All right. All this is documented. You feel me? I'm the founding member of the Baltimore Block, right there. That's Keith Davis Jr. and Keith Davis Coalition, West Wednesday. That's Pam from the Baltimore Block. All right. That's Angela from Court Watch. That's 12/29/2007. I went home on vacation, came back on probation. I spent 186 days illegally incarcerated. Brown Omen, 2014. I started my documentary in 2006. It's about Governor O'Malley and his crime machine. It's covered under the Constitution, First Amendment, freedom of speech, freedom of assembly. You feel me? That's Dear Senator, Dear Congressman. That's 2009. My apartment on Falls Road, 1402 Lochner, all right? That's Congressman Cummings, Sarbanes, Mikulski, Van Hollen, yeah. Dwayne G. Davis, 2/9/2009, to prove I came to your office, all right? It got everybody in here. Harry Reid, Senator Burris, Senator Cardin staff. That's Lester Holt from NBC. Let me show you the role the media plays in misinformation. That's me. Request, all right? Certified mailing. This is the Department of Justice. 7904 Jody No Road, October 2014. That's my Department of Justice number, all right? That's my Department of Justice number. Letters to my presidents. That was another one of the movies I was made. Bush, Obama, Biden, Trump. Yeah, y'all got this. Letters to my president. Bush, Obama, Trump, and Biden. I'm talking about Richard Nixon and the Southern Strategy. This is my second request for a pardon, all right? A presidential pardon. And that's a legal notice. So Ivan Bates, when you get in office on January 3rd, we've been refiling all my paperwork. This legal notice is legal. It's real. It's legit. That's Governor O'Malley, Governor Quinn, Attorney General, and President Obama. That's President Obama, 2009, 1402 Lochner. Before I got locked up. We talking about letters design. All right. I'm a whistleblower, and that's my Department of Justice number. And we talking about voter suppression in the 2022 Maryland State Board of Elections. The voters need to see this information. You feel me? The voters need to see it. Hassan Giordano, you gave me this award, Freedom Fighter, 2018. It's 2022. That's Peter Francott. That's Governor Hogan and Al Redmer. That's Erek Barron. That's Delegate Stephanie Smith. That's President Biden in the Department of Justice. That's Erek Barron. That's Delegate Sheila Roof. That's Peter Francott. That's Mayor Brandon Scott. And this is 2012 when I informed you that I was going to file that lawsuit. We're going to the Supreme Court with this. 2023, we're going to the Supreme Court of the grand jury. Ivan Bates got to take my case, so we're going to the Supreme Court. I have a dream. 1964 Public Accommodations Act. That's my Community Verizon Award. I applied for Martin Luther King's job, and y'all got mad. You feel me? Martin Luther King's job been vacant for too long. Dr. Kaye, Mark Steiner, Yeah, ain't no law against making a movie. Movies about our democracy, the haves versus the have-nots. Remember that? Letters from a Birmingham jail. Same way Martin did letters from a Birmingham jail. I got a Jailhouse Diary. And it details everything I experienced that I went through. 485 pages. I'm the founding member of the Baltimore block. You feel me? The founding member. I'm Shorty, a champion for justice. It's Board of Elections. Y'all got to release this to the voters before the 2022 elections. You only got 20 days left. This is going to be a national issue. A national issue. Department of Justice ID number. States Attorney's Office. Washington, D.C. So President Biden, we're going to the Supreme Court in 2022. We're going to the Supreme Court in 2022. Ex-felons got a right to vote. They got a right to run for office. We're going to file a class action lawsuit because this is a class of people which lives you have tried to destroy. I got everything documented since 1986. I'm an activist. I'm not a terrorist. And we're going to terrorize you with the truth. Scott Shellenberger going to be disbarred and criminally charged in 2023. All the cases he had since 2006 going to be reversed and remanded. Baltimore City's under the dissent decree. Baltimore County ain't. So we're going to have the Department of Justice to investigate the play-to-play politics in Baltimore County. Anthony Brown, you're going to be the new Attorney General. I got first. Westmore, I got first. January 3rd, 2023, I got first. Shorty, a champion for justice. You feel me? I got the Crown Awards. You feel me? The crown for being a king. Got the Crown Awards too. You feel me? So Westmore, I got first. All the evidence that you got to act on it. No one left behind. I'm a freedom fighter and honor the hard work and dedication to building a better Baltimore presented by the Giordano Group and the Be More News. Malcolm X Day 2018. That's Malcolm and that's Martin. You feel me? That's Martin. Y'all locked me up for applying for his job.